It has been quite a while since I've shared tips in regards to growing your Twitch channel, and while it being 2019 and all, I think it's time to share even more. Let's do it. Hello guys, how are you today? My name is David Franco from TwitchTips.com. Yep, you heard that right. TwitchTips.com is a website completely dedicated to helping others like you and myself grow their Twitch channels. And yes, those tips actually work. And speaking of tips, let's go over 5 additional tips on how to grow your Twitch channel in 2019. Jumping right into it, number 1, buy yourself a stream deck. Yeah, these tips might cost you a little bit of money, but I can guarantee you hardware, gear, accessories, all that stuff can actually make a big difference for not only yourself, but especially your viewers. Okay, so I gotta be honest, at first when I got the stream deck, I just wasn't using it all that much. It just didn't really appeal to me because I had a dual monitor setup. I didn't mind moving my mouse over to my right monitor and changing it manually. Right? Not a big deal. However, as my channel has grown, I've learned to appreciate certain accessories, and one of those accessories is definitely the stream deck. And honestly, I can't imagine my life without it nowadays. It makes it incredibly easy to not only use chat commands, to put my chat into sub-only mode or followers-only mode, which I very rarely use, but I might use for giveaways, but especially changing scenes. I am always changing scenes, whether I'm showing my display, my IRL or just chatting scene, or my Elgato capture card. So yeah, I'm not gonna ramble about it anymore. Check out Stream Deck. It's made by Elgato, which just happens to power my capture card. Great company, great brand. I think you'll enjoy it. I'll post a link right below to Amazon. What is going on behind me? Oh, I'm opening Apex packs in Apex Legends. Okay, tip number 2. Set up alerts for your overlays and your chat. Now, overlay alerts are pretty much a no-brainer. Follower alerts, sub alerts, host alerts, raid alerts, even merch alerts. I have them all, except for follower alerts because sometimes the trolls can take advantage of that. But what about your chat? What about your chat, guys? There's no reason whatsoever why you cannot have similar alerts in your chat, especially if you're worried about alerts taking up your stream. Because let's face it, sometimes when you get a subscriber alert or follower alert, it can be a little distracting. There's nothing wrong with putting those alerts, or at least some of those alerts, in your chat room. And if anything, it gives that new follower, that new subscriber, that new raider or host or whatever, you know, those 5 seconds of fame. And it makes it more convenient for you because it doesn't take your focus away from the actual stream. So consider it. And for me, I use Streamlabs for my overlay alerts. And for my chat alerts, I use MooBot. Tip number 3. Don't focus on your viewer count too much. Now, this is something I used to do when I started out on Twitch. I was obsessed with my viewer count, especially when I switched games. I was constantly thinking, is my chat room gonna like this? Is it going to negatively or positively affect my viewership? And guys, honestly, it became a problem. It became a distraction. I was always looking at my viewer count number. And ever since hiding my viewer count number, I feel more focused. I feel happier. I feel more positive. I feel like I'm enjoying my games because I usually am enjoying my games. Except for Apex Legends on occasion. Great game, but man, does it trigger me. Really though, hide your viewer count. For me, it has been working wonders, and for you, who knows, you could have the same results. Number 4, continuing with number 1, yeah, you might have to spend a little bit of money on this video, but use at least 2 displays. I cannot express enough how convenient it is to use a dual monitor setup. Again, I'm gonna say the words at least. You need at least 2 displays. For me, the sweet spot is 3. On my left monitor, I use Spotify, Discord, and occasionally Chrome. Primary monitor, obviously the middle one's always for gaming. And my right side monitor over here is usually used for my chat and my Streamlabs OBS. So yes, I use each and every monitor for its own purpose, and I cannot express enough, I'm going to say it again, how convenient it is. You need at least 2 displays. Now, me being the self-proclaimed OCD kind of person that I am, I have all of the same monitors. Dell, whatever, I forget the model number already, but they're 27 inches, 144 hertz refresh rates, 1 millisecond response time, incredible monitors, and I'm going to link them right below on Amazon. Treat yourself. A little pricey, but I can guarantee you, once you make that jump from 60 hertz to 144 hertz, it completely changes the way you look at PC gaming. it's just so buttery smooth. But with that said, you don't need nice monitors for, you know, your chat and your Streamlabs and all that stuff. But I definitely do recommend using at least 2 displays. And finally, tip number 5. This one seems kind of cliche, but it is so true. Stream what makes you happy. Stream what makes you happy. If you like Fortnite, stream Fortnite. And guys, if you don't like Fortnite and your chat is constantly begging you to play Fortnite, then don't play Fortnite. Do not force yourself into enjoying a game. Believe me, I'm saying that from personal experience. I've tried to get into Fortnite. It was fun for a little while, but I am terrible at it. I'm so much better at games like Blackout and Rainbow Six Siege, and I'm getting a little decent at Apex Legends. But that's just my point. I'm not going to play Fortnite just because somebody says, David, play Fortnite. I'm not going to play Solitaire because, okay, let's be honest. No one's ever going to ask me to play Solitaire. Well, never say never, right? But guys, I'm going to say it again. Stream what makes you happy. Be happy. I mean, there's no point in playing a game if you feel like you're forcing yourself to enjoy it. If you don't enjoy a popular game, there's nothing wrong with that. Steam literally has thousands upon thousands of games worth exploring. Don't only focus on the AAA titles. Find odd titles like King Oddball and Mother Simulator, whatever it's called. There are so many games out there, whether they're AAA or indie titles. Explore. Find what makes you happy. And guys, don't forget, there's nothing wrong with doing a just chatting stream. You don't necessarily have to play video games on Twitch. I mean, thousands of streamers stream just chatting all the time. And as far as I'm concerned, sometimes just chatting streams perform better than gaming streams. It's a fact. It's a fact. So guys, there you go. Those are my 5 tips for today. I'm going to go over all 5 real quick, just in case you weren't paying attention. You never know, because you might have been distracted by that. Number 1, buy yourself a stream deck. Number 2, set up alerts for overlays and chat. Number 3, don't focus on your viewer count too much. Number 4, use at least 2 displays on your streaming setup. And number 5, stream whatever makes you happy. Because don't forget, this is your Twitch channel, your rules, your games. So have fun. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, these tips and my other tips can always be found over at twitchtips.com. Go check it out. I appreciate it. And of course, if you want to follow me, go to davidstwitch.com. And it should auto redirect you to my Twitch channel. Give me a follow. I appreciate it. And if not, that's just as fine. I'm done. It's time to eat. And then I'm going to go live on Twitch. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Peace.